Okay, talk to me. What's the matter?
I put in a shut and screaming.
Something in there about screaming.
It's all good to the pumpkin head.
It's all good to the pumpkin head.
What do you reckon?
I reckon.
It's a bit poo-poo.
It is that.
It's a new toy.
A new toy. What would you like as a new toy?
Pumpkinhead?
Why'd you keep calling me Pumpkinhead today?
I'm playing shit. Guess who's coming over?
I've no idea.
It's correct.
It's correct.
You watch the cricket?
I did.
It's all good to the parrot.
Nice.
Cheese curry. Straw.
Straw what?
Peanuts.
Peanuts.
Choo-choo train.
Choo-choo train. Boop, boop, boop.
Punchy.
Punchy. What about the names of
Peanuts.
What about the names of our friends
Cheese patch.
on the channel?
1, 2, 3.
Yes, very good. You got up to 3 today. Well done.
You're in a pigeon.
Yes.
Guess who's coming over?
Who's coming over? Smurfy and I fell out yesterday. We had a massive argument.
Pastry.
Why did we have
It's cheese curry.
cheese curry? I don't even think there's a thing as a cheese curry. We fell out anyway.
A pizza.
A pizza?
It's straw.
Straw what? What else have you learned?
Peanuts.
You know what peanuts are, but you've got your new words, haven't you? You've already counted to 3. Well done.
Peanuts.
We fell out because she was screaming.
Naughty.
She was very naughty. I lost my temper with you, didn't I?
It's clean as the parrot.
I've never lost my temper with another
A
animal.
pizza.
But I did with you, didn't I?
And tomorrow.
I had to put her cover over her cage, which I haven't done in
It's a parrot. Screw that.
3 years. 3 years. That's how bad she was. And I wasn't great. My beloved football team, Manchester United,
Cheese curry.
were getting hammered again by our
Spit a little of punch.
old enemies, Liverpool. So if that wasn't
Not good to watch the cricket.
bad enough, I've got a toothache on my wisdom tooth as well. So I'm feeling really rubbish. And then Smurf decided to press all my buttons
Come and say hello talking.
all at once, didn't you?
Punchy.
Punchy. So I ended up putting her cover over her cage, very unusual, like I say, and hiding in the bedroom. But we're all right again now, aren't we?
Punchy.
Give me a kiss. Look, we're all right again, aren't we? You're back to yourself. Go on. Sorry, I'm interrupting.
What do you reckon? It's all good?
It is all good now, yes.
I put in a shit.
Why don't you say hello to Joffrey? Or Nessie? Or Foxy? Hi. Hello.
It's curry. Turn around.
Thanks for not calling me Pumpkinhead for at least 5 minutes. What would you like to talk about?
Punchy.
Punchy. And what's going on those feet of yours? Eh? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you up to? Yeah. We did have a nice cuddle afterwards, didn't we? Yeah. Nice. Look, who's that? You say hello to everybody. You can say hello. You say hello. Hi. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? So yeah, sorry we've been a bit quiet. But what with my toothache?
Cheese curry.
Cheese curry. And it's raining. And it's Monday. Monday's rubbish, isn't it? We don't like Mondays that much, do we? Anyway, we just thought we'd say hello to everybody. She did count up to 3 today. There is progress. Hang on. What's that? What is it? Is that banana? What is it? No, you're not going to eat it. I didn't get it out for you to eat. She really loves bananas, but she just likes the ends of them. Look. Doesn't eat any other part of the banana apart from the top part of the skin. She just loves crunching the juice out of the skin. She's such a weirdo. Nice. Well, now she's busy eating her banana skin. Yeah, thanks. Hope everybody is well. Hope you're all good. Hope you've had a nice weekend. We've had a bit of a rubbish one, but onwards and upwards. I do take my own teeth out. I haven't been to a dentist in about 20 years. You've probably worked that out looking at our videos in the past. When I smile, half of my teeth are missing. Some by cricket accidents. In that I thought I was better than I was and lost them. And some I've just taken out with pliers. So, but this one's like, it's right at the back. I think it is my wisdom tooth. There's nothing beyond it. It's a big, big tooth and it's split in half. And yes, it's causing me some considerable grief. So I might have a Tom Hanks moment on Castaway, you know, when he, yeah, you know, I might have a moment, but we'll see. Right, say goodbye to everybody. Now I'm going to have to eat this banana. Say goodbye. Bye, everybody. See you soon. Riders on the storm, riders on the storm, into this land we're born, to this land we're born, like a dog without a bone and meant to run alone. Riders on the storm. There's a killer on the road. His brain is swimming like a toll. Take you long holiday. Let you choose your blade. If you give this man a ride, sweet family will die. Killer on the road. You gotta love your man. Girl, you gotta love your man. Take him by the hand, make him understand. Love him, you just friends, I'll love him never end. Gotta love you, man. Yeah. Riders on the storm. Riders on the storm. Riders on the storm. Riders on the storm.